But the amazing thing about it, because I think that everything in my life has sort of led to something better, is that I absolutely was meant to be a lawyer. And I ended up going to college at UC San Diego. I was in third grade Marshall College. UC San Diego at the time I was going to school was organized into 5 different colleges. I think now it's 8. I don't know that for sure, but I think it's more than 5. But third grade Marshall College was definitely a little bit more guided towards the law. And, Thurgood Marshall was obviously a justice on the Supreme Court. And so as a result of that, I went to UC San Diego. I excelled there. It was a great place for me. I knew I was going to be a lawyer. And then I went to Pepperdine for law school. And law school is where, I'd always had excellent grades in high school and in college, but in law school, turns out I was meant to do this, and I had really excellent grades, and I graduated with the very highest honors, and loved it. And even early on in my profession, I realized that I just got it. There was something about being a lawyer that made sense to me, and that spoke to who I was, and the logic and the philosophies behind it, and just even from sort of our fundamental goal, which is to maintain the Constitution and to uphold the Constitution, to really learning how to dissect legislation and figure out how it applies to the facts that you're dealing with and whatnot. I've just always excelled at it, and I love it. I love mentoring other lawyers. I love working with my clients. And I think I realized at some point during this journey that I was really good at working with people and talking to people and making sure that I could speak to what their needs were and figure out how to help them specifically and never look at them as a number, but rather as a person. And so I feel like this whole, from where it started and from the moves and everything that led me here, all played into the lawyer that I've become